Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good and many people have booked a very huge profit today. So it was an extraordinary day. It was an unbelievable day where no one has expected the move. The move was like an rocket, unstoppable. And it was no event, no global market, any good news in the global market. Still the market has rallied like anything. Let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big players are planning for the expiry that will be on the 1st September. So tomorrow will be holiday on the basis of Ganesh Chaturthi and I wish everyone happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's check the open interest analysis. Will follow by FII. So input FII was having 1,46,000 of put. So now he increased 54,000 contracts. So he has almost 2 lakhs of put with him. In call he was having 1.10 lakhs of call. Now he has increased 41,000 call with him. So he has 1,51,000 of call. So what he's doing, he's adding both simultaneously. So he want to hedge the position because he knows there should be a good dip is coming or the market can rally like this. So he knows market can turn anywhere. So this is only a hedging position. So we cannot state anything with this position of FII. In future index, he has increased the futures long drastically by 9% and reduced the short by 9%. So 43% long he has and 57% short. So he has covered his short, and in stock futures he has increased 1% long and reduced 1% short. So he has 57% long and 43% short and a very good number of buying in cash flow. 4,165 crores he has purchased today. So he became very much bullish all of sudden. Don't know what made him to become so much bullish today. So let's come to client input. He was having 1 lakh of put writing with him. So he has booked all his put writing and he has made a fresh 1 lakh of put buying today. And in call he was having 1.32 call. He also booked this whole amount in call buying and now he has made a fresh call shorts of 1.07 lakhs. So he become very much bearish now. He booked all the profit here. So day before yesterday he has booked a huge loss on a bullish side. So he has made a fresh longs yesterday. So this was a very good right decision he made and he booked totally in call and put he booked a profit and made a fresh shorts today. And in future index he has reduced long by 2%, increased short by 2%. So he has 57% long and 43% short. And in future stock 81% long he's still holding and 19% short. Here he sold for 426 in cash flow 426 crores. So what client are the retailers, what he is doing, bearish in options, 2% profit booked in future, but this is neutral to positive only, and this is very much positive. And here he booking the profit in cash flow. So let's check the promoters. Promoters input he was having put writing of 1.23 lakhs. So he added the put today by 2.6 lakhs contract. So he became very much bullish now. So he has 3.83 lakhs contracts. And in call he was having 2.43 of call writing Now he has reduced the call writing by 2 lakhs. So he has 44,000 call writing with him. So he booked the loss in call and he has uh, added the put writing, hugely put writing here. See what he did, covered 2 lakhs here and added 2.6 here. So he became very much positive now in options. So let's check in futures. He has reduced the longs here by 4%, increased the shorts. So see, this is a bearish position and this is a bullish position. So he has hedged his positions here, and in stock futures 2% reduced in long and short increased by 2%. So here he booked a profit of 2% but holding good number of 68 long and 32 short. And in cash market also he has added a good number, 466 crores. DIS sold for 656 crores. So net in cash flow is 3,549 crores in net positive. So what promoter is doing, hedging his positions, carrying good number of stocks in futures and also in cash market adding good stocks. So promoter is bullish, FII is neutral only we can say, but mostly on a positive side only. Retailer are also hedging these positions and also there are bullish only. So let's check the PCR for Nifty today is 1.32 and for month end 1.46. Bank Nifty today 1.49 and month end 1.23. As I was discussing yesterday, the PCR for yesterday it was oversold. So as per the PCR, I said they should be a pullback, but I was not expecting a huge rally. I was expecting a good movement, but the market will be, I thought the market will close in positive only. It will be in range bound. But even though there was no event, no good news, no good global markets news, still the market has rallied like anything. So let's check the price action and we'll see what happened. See, this was the short covering. Last 30 minutes, Nifty and Bank Nifty has rallied. So see, in Bank Nifty short covered at 315. So let's check the Nasdaq. Nasdaq also gap up open, but there is a good profit booking going on. So it's trading in red, minus by 124 points, and has well Dow Jones trading in red by 285 points. So we'll check tomorrow the SGX how it is trading. Anyhow, we'll be having a holiday, trading holiday. So directly on Thursday we have expiry. So what for expiry? Expiry has to be smooth. It has to be on positive side only. So that's it, guys. So happy Vinayak Chaturthi once again, guys, and do enjoy your holiday. And I wish this festival brings health, wealth, and success to your life and your families. So that's it, guys. Take care. Bye.